Let's now go and see Mr. I's friends. Hello, Mr. I. How many friends have you made today?
Oh, quite a few. There is B. When we are seen together, we are called Ib.
I and B is Ib.
Then there is D. When we are seen together, we are called Id.
I and D is It.
G is also become my friend. When we are seen together, we are called Ig.
I and G is Ig.
Then there is M. When we are seen together, we are called Im.
I and M is Im.
N also became my friend. When we are seen together, we are called In.
I and N is In.
Then there is P. When we are seen together, we are called Ip.
I and P is Ip.
Finally, T also became my friend. When we are seen together, we are called It.
I and T is It.